So I bought maize. You see, maize is here. I've just removed the maize from the corn. So here is the maize. Yeah, and I also bought beans. So the beans are here, which I'm trying to pick to see the ones that are like something like this. You see, so you have to separate between the stones, the good beans and the bad beans. So I can show you. You see, like this is a stone. You see, this is a stone. So you have to pick the stone. So this is how. Let me show you how we normally separate. We do it African way. So you push them like that. So you choose while going up downwards. You see, like these are stones. So let me push them in front so that you can see how we normally select the stones from the beans or any type of bad beans. So we push. You see, there is a space here. Those are the beans. So you do like this. Yeah, do like this. You see, this the stone here. You have to pick. Yeah. So if you do like this, you'll not be able to eat a stone. Yeah. You see? You see? If you see a stone or something like this, you remove. That's how you'll cook a very delicious beans. We're gonna cook it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Only 30 minutes. Make sure the water doesn't pass. So guys, that's our githeri. Yeah, while we were cooking, it's now ready to be cooked. Yeah, just look at that. Actually, you can eat it like that. If you don't want anything, you can just add in salt and eat it like that. Some people don't like frying it. They just like it natural like that. So our ingredients are the green pepper, 2 tomatoes. We have here onion, garlic, and potatoes. Yeah. So our pot is ready. So let's start cooking. So let us chop the onion and also let us light the fire. Yeah. So we're gonna remove our cooking oil. Yeah, our cooking oil. So on Sunday, normally I don't cook lunch or dinner. I just eat the previous food, the one that I had cooked. So I'm gonna cook to it. I'm gonna make the stew Oreo or stew Githeri so that I can eat it even the next day or some other time. So let us chop our onion, our garlic. Yeah, I've already lit the fire. Just cut our onion. I like mixing the onion together with the garlic so that they cook together. Because this is Githeri, so I'm gonna chop big part of onion. I'm not gonna repeat cutting it. So our onion is ready. I'm sure our oil is also ready. So I'm gonna pour inside. So while the onion is boiling, I'm chopping my green pepper. I'm chopping my green pepper. I hope everyone is okay. Thank you guys for 72 subscribers. I really appreciate a lot. And thank you for watching my video. Yeah, thank you so much for 72 subscribers. Onion. the green pepper loading. So we're going to, I'm chopping the tomatoes. So with my onions, since I'm cooking githeri or onions, I don't like my onions to become very brown. Yeah, you see, this is okay. Since it's githeri, I don't like my onions to become that brown. We'll add salt. I like using salt shaker so that I don't put a lot of salt. I think I'll add now tomato. That the mixture looks very good. So we're going to cover it so that the tomato can cook, but not to cook that much. So let our tomato cook. So while the tomato is cooking, I have here 4 potatoes, which I just want to chop into one of them. Just one, want to chop it, just one. So yeah, I think I'll do like that. Yeah. So the potatoes are chopped. I made similar. So the potatoes are chopped. Let us look at our ingredients here. Looking good. We're gonna add in our potatoes. The moment is around 4:15. Normally eat my dinner at 5. Okay, well, so we shall take our Royco cube. So let me cover it a little bit while I take Royco cube. With Githeri, for me, I don't use a lot of spices. Actually, most of my food, I don't use a lot of spices. No, I don't use it. So our that's our Royco cube. That's how it looks like. So we're going to add our Royco cube and then beans. The Royco cube, guys, it's a struggle. I'm using my phone. Don't worry. One day we will have GoPro. One day we will have GoPro. Royco cube. So guys, I had cooked matumbo, so I'm gonna use the broth, the one I cooked my tumbo with, yeah, so that it can be a good soup, because our githeri is gonna have soup. Cayenne pepper, cayenne pepper. That's enough. So we're gonna add our githeri so that it can cook together. So let me add our githeri. So I'm stirring so that the beans or the githeri can enter the bottom and mix with the onion. That soup, that soup. Yeah, you can add a little more. That's enough. Yeah. So I'm gonna add in soup so that the githeri can cook. That's okay. So our githeri, let our githeri to cook. Yeah, I'll cover it so that it can cook. Yeah. So I'm left with this githeri. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm gonna divide. I'm gonna put it in the fridge so that I can use it next time. So I just put the fridge. So guys, I'm just arranging. Don't worry, this is my stand. I This is where I put my phone so that I can record. So this thermos will be here. So if you see me shooting for you nice content, just know that's how I'm doing it. Let us stir. Thank you again for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. This channel is for cooking, lifestyle, everything. Everything, even fashion is coming. Don't touch that dial. So let us clean the kitchen. Just clean the utensils. I'm gonna put this here. Guys, today is 30th, the last month of 2025, November. God, you have been so good to me, my family, my sisters, my brother, my mom, my nieces, my nephew, my daughter, and my friends. Yeah, we don't take it for granted. You've been so good to us all. Waking up, you're not sick. You have to give thanks to God because He's the one who takes care of us. Yeah. Please share my video. Be kind. Be kind, please. Share my video, comment. If you see the video is kind of shaky, just know I'm using my phone. I don't have a tripod. Sometimes you may shoot a video and then someone is calling with your phone or you're shooting and then the phone falls down. So bear with me if you find my videos are shaky. We're only left with 1 month. We're only left with 1 month. Only a few seconds because tomorrow is 31st. I'm shooting this video on 30th, Sunday. Yeah. So I want to clean here. You have been so good to me. Thank you once again for 72 subscribers. Thank you for following me. 2 viewers, 5 viewers. I really appreciate. I really appreciate so much. Please share with your friends. Share with your friends, comment down below. Yeah, share with your friends, comment down below. And we will be glad and rejoice in it. Hope everyone is doing fine. Yeah. you're going to get more video from me. Fashion. Tell me which video do you want me to do? Cleaning the house, fashion videos. Like if you're plus size like me, fashion videos. I'll be bringing you fashion videos, cooking videos, even talking. I'll be talking also on my videos, and cooking, traveling. Soon we're traveling to the village for Christmas holiday. So stay tuned. Let us check on our Githeri. Let's check on our Githeri. Wow, look at that. Let us give it some time because the the potatoes are not yet cooked. You see, very nice, very nice.